guess. Alright. There they go. Told you. Told you. This takes a little bit. We found some bread, so James is feeding them. I know this is against the law, you're not supposed to. They will shit on your head, but they love it. I think he found some bread or something. These are the real seagulls here. They love to catch it in the air. Y'all better get away from me. Get out of here. Shit on my head. I like to feed them on the ground, but he wants to make them fly up in the air and catch it. And they're really good about it. Look at him, he's screaming. He's like, I want something to eat. Little hog. Like, please give me something to eat. I'm starving. I'm so fat.